मैंने अपनी क्लासेस टीचमेंट पे शिफ्ट करी क्योंकि अपने सपने थोड़े बड़े हैं। मैं 8 साल से सोच रहा था कि अपने खुद के लेक्चर्स का एक पैकेज बनाऊं और टीचमेंट के लाइव क्लास रिकॉर्डिंग फीचर्स की वजह से लगभग 1 साल में हर टॉपिक का कोर्स बनके तैयार है। अब मेरे स्टूडेंट्स पुराने या मिस लेक्चर देख सकते हैं और जिन्हें चाहिए वो बस रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स के पैकेज ले सकते हैं। गुप्ता ट्यूटोरियल्स ब्रांड बन रहा है, इसीलिए तो कहते हैं कि टीचमेंट पे टीचिंग आसान है। आज ही डाउनलोड करें टीचमेंट, इंडिया का नंबर 1 टीचिंग ऐप।
Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are starting with physics sample questions. As you know that from November your examinations are starting and you'll have objective type questions in your question paper. So here are some questions that I've listed on this screen, which shows different kind of questions from various chapters. We'll be solving these questions, basically taking them only, and you may take your notebook, choose the correct option and then play the video so that you know which is the correct answer. And please comment down your score so that I also know what is your score, how is your performance, because these questions can be expected in your board examination. Let's start with the first one. A closed surface in vacuum encloses charges minus q and plus 3q. The total electric flux emerging out of the surface is, options are 0, 2q by epsilon naught, 3q by epsilon naught and 4q by epsilon naught. You may pause the video, answer this. I'll tell you the answer is B. The correct option is B, that is 2q by epsilon naught. Moving to the next question. What is the angle of dip at a place where the horizontal component and vertical component of Earth's magnetic field are equal? So the answer is C, that is 45 degree. You should be very clear with these definitions and you should also draw the graph for this. It may come in second term examination. Moving on to the third. A beam of light is incident at the polarizing angle of 35 degree on a certain glass plate. The refractive index of the glass plate is, options are sin 35, tan 35, tan 55 and sin 55. So the answer is B, tan 35. In a gamma ray emission from nucleus, only the number of protons change. The number of protons and neutrons both change. There is no change in the number of protons and the number of neutrons. Only the number of neutrons change. So the answer is C. That is, there is no change in the number of protons and the number of neutrons. Please note down your score and please comment it so that I know what is your performance, how is your performance. The energy associated with light of which of the following colors is minimum? Option A, violet, option B, red, option C, green and option D, yellow. So the answer is A, that is violet. Moving on. A moving coil galvanometer can be converted into a voltmeter by connecting, and you must also learn the diagram. You may pause the video and answer this. Option is D, a high resistance is series with its coil. Whenever you connect a high resistance in series, that time the galvanometer can be converted into a voltmeter. Seventh, the loss of power in a transformer can be reduced by increasing the number of turns in primary, increasing alternating current voltage applied to primary, using a solid core made of steel, using a laminated core of soft iron. Answer is option D, using a laminated core of soft iron. See, if I'll start explaining all these concepts, then the video will be too long. So I just want you to go through the concepts if you are not able to answer the questions. Eighth, 2-point charges plus E and minus E are kept inside a large metallic cube without touching its sides. Electric flux emerging out of the cube is E by epsilon naught minus E by epsilon naught, C 0, 2E by epsilon naught. Answer is 0. Option C. Question number 9. In current electricity, Ohm's law is obeyed by all: A. Solids, B. Metals, C. Liquids, and D. Glasses. Answer is B. Metals. Metals always obey Ohm's law. When a charged particle is projected perpendicular to a uniform magnetic field, it describes a circular path in which, it's a very important question and it's a frequently asked question in boards. It has been repeated so many times. Its speed remains constant, its velocity remains constant, its momentum remains constant, its kinetic energy increases. Answer is A. Its speed remains constant. 11th question. Refractive index of a transparent material is same for all colors. Maximum for violet color, minimum for violet color, maximum for red color. Option B, that is maximum for violet color. Moving to 12th. Which one of the following graphs in figure below represents variation of de Broglie wavelength of a particle having linear momentum p? You may see the diagrams and you must know that wavelength, that is de Broglie wavelength, is inversely proportional to 1 by linear momentum. That means you'll get this d. This is the graph. Moving to next question. You may see the figure and a charge q is fixed. Another charge q is moved along a circular arc mn of radius r around it from the point M to the point N such that the length of the arc mn is equal to I. The work done in this process is, answer is 0. 14th question. A carbon resistor has colored bands as shown in figure below, and you should expect this question also. They'll ask you the resistance of the resistor and you have to learn that which resistor and which color belongs to which resistance. If you'll calculate this, you will get C as the correct option. 15th question. Two thin lenses having optical powers of -10 diopter and +6 diopter are placed in contact with each other. The focal length of the combination is, and you should expect 1 to 2 marks numericals in multiple choice questions. When you calculate this, you'll get D as the correct option. Moving on to the 16th question. Total energy of an electron in the ground state of hydrogen atom is -13.6 electron volt. Its total energy when hydrogen atom is in the first excited state is, here the answer is C, -3.4 electron volt. 17th. A moving electron enters a uniform and perpendicular magnetic field. Inside the magnetic field, the electron travels along a straight line, a parabola, a circle, and a hyperbola. So the answer is C, that is a circle. 18th question. A fish which is at a depth of 12 centimeter in water, this is mu, that is refractive index, it is given 4/3, is viewed by an observer on the bank of a lake. Its apparent depth as observed by the observer is A 3 centimeter, B 9 centimeter, C 12 centimeter, and D 16 centimeter. After calculating this, you'll get the answer B, that is 9 centimeter. Next question. If EP and EK represent potential energy and kinetic energy respectively of an orbital electron, then according to Bohr's theory, options are, here the answer is A, EK is equal to -EP/2. Last question for this video. In an astronomical telescope of refracting type, eyepiece has greater focal length. Objective has greater focal length. Objective and eyepiece have equal focal length. Eyepiece has greater aperture than the objective. So the answer is B, that is objective has greater focal length. So this is all for this video. If you want me to make more such videos and I'll tell you the answers to the multiple choice questions, we'll be practicing the first term examination sample papers. So you may comment and then I'll make videos on maths also and English. Thank you for watching the video.